welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day. I'm starting this video off with a very special event. Today is actually my sister's graduation day and I am extremely proud, so nervous for her for no damn reason actually. She already was in my home. I did the makeup, I did the hairstyle, she looks fabulous, everything is fine and awesome. She's already on the way to the park where the event will be held, and in about 10 minutes me and my mom also will meet and we'll go grab our bouquets of flowers and just, you know, have some fun, have some girly time. So join us. We're starting this video off with a graduation party, so let's go.
Just wanna play a little song when problems seem so big. Sometimes it feels just a little bit wrong. I just wanna tell a little. I just wanna feel just fine. When things get down to the wire, I'll take another shift of the minds. The cartoon minds. Dig around and see what you find. You might have fun, you might get canned in this weird little Neverland. The cartoon minds make you laugh while we wanna cry. We would move on, but it's all we know.
Yum yum yum.
Svetlana, the firefly in the room.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a really good day. Finally, after a hot and long heat wave, we have a first chilly day with rain and it feels so refreshing. I feel once again alive and ready to do some action, and that action is plant chopping. It's been a while actually. Honestly, it's been at least couple months since last time I was going into any kind of plant store, and this time I will be going into a big box store. This one is pretty special because every single time when I go there I find something cool and awesome with great prices. So this should be a really fun video for you guys, you know, to compare your prices, our prices here in Lithuania, and just, you know, drool over some beautiful plants. And I mean, I have some stuff that I need to buy in this big box store, so it's just, you know, win-win situation over here. I will take you along and we will go and see some beautiful foliage and just, you know, have a little bit of a chill time with beautiful plants and nice music, I guess. So buckle up and let's enjoy a little ride to the big box store. Let's go. When you go to film a plant tour but all you have is just puppy stuff. By the way, look at those beautiful blooms. Oh my lord. Oh, I wish I had some kind of backyard to put this on. Oh my gosh, so cute. For $9.29. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous. Look at all of these colors. Oh, look at these cute planters. Oh my gosh, this is a cow. So adorable. Wow. Oh my gosh. I kind of want this one. But I'm not a big fan of all of these succulents. I mean, this one is cute. For $177. Okay, that's a good deal. I mean, look at all of this fairy garden material. Oh, cute. Look at this Aenium, guys. Oh, it's a little bit tired. It's 33 euros. But look at the size. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Wow. Look at this cute pot. Oh my gosh. This one is for $8.29. This looks so adorable. I think this is elephant plant. Wow. We have string of pearls for $8.79. Okay, pretty nice deal. Also string of dolphins for $6.59. Actually, they're not looking too good, but still pretty good deals. Oh my gosh, look at these ones. This one is definitely looking fabulous. 11 euros. Wow. And look at this. Oh my gosh, hanging baskets. This one is actually so cute. Yeah, it's July and we still have planters with little chicks. Okay. Wow, look at this bloom. Cute. But not as cute as this beautiful Dendrobiums. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Such a vibrant colors. Wow. Oh my gosh, I actually love this one. Look at the centurion with black blooms. Wow. I love how small leaves on this one is. It looks so compact and like mini version. Wow, cute. How much is this one? For free. Okay, love it. Love it. Holy nuts, look at this basket. Wow, this Tradiscantia is insane. It looks like a ball and it's blooming. I mean, how to look at price tag? Where is it now? Okay, I really do not want to break this plant, but it looks fabulous. Wow. Wow. What the heck is that? I mean, yes, maybe it looks adorable, but you almost cannot see the plant, so obviously it doesn't get too much sunlight. I mean, look how they are gluing the stuff on this poor cacti. Wow. I mean, how will they grow? Just look at all of those crowns. Oh my gosh, call the plant police, people. Of course, always need to go through the Monsteras Deliciosas. These ones are 14 euros for pretty decent planter. Wow, actually a good deal. Every single time I just stop near this beautiful begonia racks just to drool over these vibrant colors. I mean, look at that. Oh, for 5 euros. So adorable. Oh my gosh. Oh, also we have some philodendron Congos in here. Cute. How much are they? 21 euro. I mean, that's a bit pricey. That's definitely not a Monstera obliqua. This is Addisonii for 9 euros obliqua. Yeah. Also, I always check on the money plants. Paelias. I don't see a price tag, but the leaves on this one look pretty decent. Look at that. So cute. Such a huge variety of different plants. I mean, look at these begonias. They look so beautiful. How much is this one? $4.99. Oh my gosh. Oh, gorgeous. Actually found pretty good deal on Strelitzia. Look, 45 euros. And it's pretty big already. I paid 30 euros, I think, for mine, and it was about that size as this leaf, so I think this is a pretty good deal. Cute. Also love these planters with this little leg. Oh, without hole. What a waste. What a waste. Okay, right now I am on a discount section, and all of this. Look at these beautiful African violets for 14 cents. I mean, they're still even in bloom, so you can see what color you can pick. What the heck? Why they're so cheap? Look at this color. Wow. What the heck? What the heck? Oh my gosh, look at this one. 14 cents. What the heck? What the heck, people? What the? I mean, I understand this one's right for 14 cents. Okay, yeah. But that? Wow. Okay. Alright everyone, I'm back home. Actually, I did not find anything too interesting this time. I'm a little bit disappointed because, you know, I had some expectations going on in there and it was like meh, you know, it was fine. There were some cute plants, but nothing like, wow, I cannot believe it's in the shop, or, you know, the price is amazing and stuff like that. I mean, except that African violets, that was pretty cool if you ask me. But all in all, I just came back home, I walked Baloo, and right now chilling. So I will finish this video over here. This week it will be a little bit shorter and there is a reason for that. I'll talk about it in my future videos because I'm keeping a secret from you, so here is a little spoiler, wink wink. But all in all, thank you so much for watching, and before leaving you, let me teach you another language lesson. What should we teach and learn? Let's learn a color today. So since I'm wearing a purple t-shirt, let me teach you how to say purple in Lithuanian and in Russian. So if you want to say purple in Lithuanian, you need to say violetinė. Once again, violetinė. And if you want to say purple in Russian, you need to say fialetovai. Once again, fialetovai. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video. But altogether it wasn't that you know, casual, because there was graduation footage from my sisters, you know, all of the ceremony and all of that. So I really hope you did enjoy this little piece of my life, and hopefully I will meet you in my next one. So like, comment, subscribe, and bye!